Ayan, so hi Lucas. Oh, look at the waves. The waves are waving at us, and so over there. Holy smokes, it's beautiful here. Plus 30 here. So warm. Let's go over there. Let's go over there. Oh my goodness. Beautiful here. Welcome to Cancun. Come on, boys. Oh, look at those buildings there. Yee. There's still lots of resorts here. That's on the right. Look at this. Still more over there, up to there. Holy guacamole. Wow. And in front here is Florida, Miami, and Cuba. Somewhere there. Okay, you can go over there. Go touch. You leave your sandals. Look at the waves. Come on. Come on. Oh, white sand. Look at this. Come on, my boy. Woo! Come on. It's the first time to touch the seawater. Come on, Enzo. We're here at the Caribbean. Come on, Enzo, my boy. Hola, amigo, amiga. De la vie, mon ami. Come on, Enzo. Lucas. Yay! Oh my. Thank you, Lord. Look at this. Look at that. What is that? Is that a pelican, Enzo? That's a pelican there. Just floating. Where is it? Oh my goodness. That's the one flying a while ago. Oh, you can surf here. Amazing. Look at this.